Welcome to SiteSaga. In this video, I'll show you the simplest way to create a WordPress website step by step. If you are a beginner, don't worry. You can easily follow along. By the end of this video, you'll have your very first WordPress website up and running, even if you have never built a website before. And the cost? You only need to pay for hosting, which you can get for around $2 per month. Everything else we'll use, the theme and plugins, will be completely free. Let's get started. First, you need to understand that there are two different versions of WordPress you can start with, WordPress.org and WordPress.com. So, what's the difference? With WordPress.org, you can download the free open source WordPress software. Just click the Get WordPress button at the top of the website, then select Download WordPress to download the latest version. After that, you can install it on a server and start building your WordPress website. However, most popular hosting providers already offer pre-installed WordPress when you purchase a hosting plan. This means you don't need to download or install WordPress manually. You can start building your site right away. You just need to choose the right hosting provider. On the other hand, WordPress.com is a commercial platform that provides WordPress hosting and website building plans. If you visit the site and click Plans and Pricing, you will see several options available. There's even a free plan that gives you a WordPress.com subdomain, but it comes with limited features. Paid plans start at around $4 per month billed annually. With these plans, WordPress is already installed and you'll have themes and plugins ready to use. So essentially, WordPress.com is an all-in-one website builder where hosting, themes and plugins are bundled together for a smooth experience. However, when comparing features, WordPress.com plans can be more restrictive and sometimes more expensive. On the free plan, you won't have access to all themes and plugins, many of which are freely available with WordPress.org. With WordPress.org and your own hosting, you have complete freedom to use any theme or plugin you want. But that freedom also comes with responsibility. You'll need to manage things like site security, updates, and performance yourself. WordPress.com, on the other hand, handles these technical aspects for you, maintaining a basic standard for your site's speed and security. So, in simple terms, WordPress.org is more flexible and cost-effective with full control over themes and plugins, but you manage the site yourself. WordPress.com is easier and more managed, but with limited customization and higher cost on many plans. For this tutorial, we'll use WordPress.org with custom hosting. We'll guide you through choosing the right hosting plan and then picking the right theme and plugins best suited for your site's security and performance. With that, get ready to set up your first WordPress website. Here's a quick overview of what we'll do in this video. First, we'll start by buying a suitable hosting plan. This is where all of your website files are stored and made available for visitors to access. Next, we'll get a domain name, which is the address of your website, just like ours is SiteSaga.com. You can purchase a domain from registrars like Namecheap or GoDaddy. However, many hosting providers also offer a free domain when you purchase a hosting plan for 1 year or more. In this tutorial, we'll use a hosting platform that provides a free domain. Next, we are going to install WordPress on the hosting server, which is completely free. After that, we'll install a free WordPress theme and some useful plugins to help build the website. Then, we'll move on to customizing the website. This includes adding, editing and styling pages, posts and navigation menus. Finally, we'll configure the WordPress settings to make sure your website runs smoothly. So, let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Buy the best WordPress hosting plan. WordPress.org officially recommends hosting providers like Pressable, Bluehost, and Hostinger for WordPress websites. The link to these 3 hosting platforms are in the description below. Among these hosts, we are using Hostinger for our projects due to its affordability, ease, and overall better performance in all areas. So we are using it for this tutorial and recommend you do so too. You can check out our complete guide on how to choose a web hosting service. The link is in the description below. Now open the Hostinger website using the link in the description below and click the pricing menu. There select Manage Hosting for WordPress as a type of hosting. Among the given plans, beginners can go with the premium or business plan, which costs $1.99 and $2.99 respectively. Plus, you'll get a 30-day money-back guarantee, meaning if within 30 days of purchase you decide you'll no longer use this hosting, then you can get a full refund. For now, let's click the Choose Plan button for the premium plan. Next, you must select a payment period, which means how many months in advance you are going to pay for the hosting. The longer the payment period, the cheaper the price for the hosting in the long run. So if you're sure about using Hostinger for a few years and have a budget right now, then go with 48 months. The prices will be much lower for the later years. Now, choosing this plan also gives you a free domain and 3 extra months of free hosting. You can secure your domain right now, but if you are unsure yet, just leave it as it is. With that, hit the continue button to move forward. Next, you must register for a Hostinger account. Either enter your email and password to register or use your Google or GitHub account to easily begin. Afterward, you can complete your payment. Just enter your billing address, choose your payment method, enter your payment details and press the Submit Payment button. Once the purchase process completes, Hostinger begins its onboarding steps. But you can skip this to directly move to its dashboard and take your time. Just click the Hostinger logo at the top and select Leave. Meanwhile, you must verify your email address in your inbox. Doing that takes you back to your Hostinger dashboard. Step 2. Get your website domain. Now go to the Home menu on Hostinger and then click the Claim Domain button. This opens a pop-up where you can search for an available domain. First, choose the preferred domain extension. Here we'll go with .com and then enter the domain name. Now click the Check Availability button. Check out our complete guide on how to pick a domain name for more details. You can find the link in the description below. Once the domain name is available, click the Claim Domain button. Next, you must register your domain with its primary information and your contact details. After you confirm your email address again, your new domain is now active. Step 3. Set up WordPress. Moving forward, go back to the Home tab and click the Setup button. Another way is to go to Websites and click Add Website. From the given options, pick WordPress as your website builder. This lets you create a WordPress account for your WordPress admin dashboard. Just pick the language and insert the email and password. Then click Next. Then you can select the domain name for your website. You can just pick the same domain you claimed from Hostinger and hit the Next button. This sets up your WordPress website in your Hostinger account. After that, you'll get template options. Here, let's just click the Go to WordPress option. That's all. Now you'll be automatically redirected to your WordPress dashboard. Another simple way is to open a new browser tab. There, enter your domain name followed by /wp-admin/. This opens the login page where you can sign into your WordPress admin area. Step 4. Install a WordPress theme. A WordPress theme determines the overall look and feel of your WordPress website. For this tutorial, we'll be using the Cadence theme. It's a lightweight, versatile and highly customizable theme ideal for any website. It offers multiple AI capabilities that help beginners to easily kickstart their website. To install a WordPress theme, navigate to Appearance and then Themes. There you can see the currently active 2025 theme. Now click the Add Theme button. Search for the theme you want. Here we are going with Cadence. Once you find the theme, click the Install button. Afterward, press the Activate button. This activates the free Cadence theme on your website. Later, you can upgrade to its premium version for more features. Check out our tutorial on how to install a WordPress theme for the upload method. The link is in the description below. Step 5. Install WordPress plugins. After installing a theme, you must also install the essential WordPress plugins on your website. These plugins add specific features to your website as you need. We recommend going with some free plugins. They are WordFence for security, Rank Math for SEO, Updraft Plus for backups, Akismet for spam protection, and WP Forms for contact forms. For now, let's install a plugin that you need right now. That's Starter Templates by Cadence. As soon as you install the Cadence theme, you can find the option to install the Cadence Starter Templates plugin at the top. To help you learn to install a plugin, navigate to Plugins and then Add Plugin. There, search for Cadence Starter Templates. After you find the plugin, click the Install Now button. Afterward, hit the Activate button. Check out our tutorial on how to install a WordPress plugin for a detailed guide. You can find the link in the description below. Step 6. Pick the perfect template. Next, open Appearance and go to the Cadence menu, followed by the Starter Templates tab. There, press the Browse Cadence Templates button. Now, you'll find two options. They are to use AI-powered templates or pre-designed templates. Here, let's go with the AI-powered templates option. Following that, you must register for a Cadence account and verify your account. Once you log into your account, continue with the free plan. This opens the onboarding steps of Cadence, which you can start by clicking Next. Then, pick your site language. This tutorial aims to build a professional portfolio website about you. So let's provide basic details about yourself and proceed by clicking Next. Moving on, add a brief description of your website. This helps Cadence AI to generate website sections with content. You can click the Generate with AI option to automatically generate impressive content. Also, using the Improve with AI option makes it possible to improve your description. Then press Next. After that, add some related keywords about you or use the ones Cadence is suggesting. Then pick a tone for your site content and hit Next. Following that, select the different goals for your website. The first one you select is the primary goal. After that's done, hit Next. Now, Cadence AI generates multiple featured images and background images for your website. You can use them or edit them with your own images. In the end, click the Generate Base Content button. In just a few moments, you'll find choices for your website template generated by AI. Just click the one you prefer. Here, we'll go with Maple. With that, Cadence lets you customize the template's color scheme and fonts. Just pick your choice and click Next. In addition, you can configure the content. Just select the pages you want on your website and adjust the related settings. Next, you may be informed about the need to install additional plugins. In this case, it's Cadence Blocks. Once that's okay for you, click Finish and Launch, followed by Start Import. With the successful import, you can now go back to your WordPress dashboard. Step 7. Customize your website. Customization is the most exciting part of creating your WordPress website. That's because WordPress plugins and themes let you perform that without any coding. Let's start with that by configuring your site identity. Go to Appearance and then Customize on the dashboard. There, open the Site Identity menu. Now begin adding your website icon. Similarly, upload your site logo. Plus, insert the site title and tagline. After you configure your site identity, you can further explore other customization settings on the customizer. Once you are done, hit the Publish button. Following that, you can start customizing your pages and their elements. For example, let's customize the home page. Just open the home page and click the Edit Home Page option. This opens the default Gutenberg page editor. There, you can remove unwanted sections from the template. Just select the section and click the three-dotted option, followed by the delete option. Moreover, change the content, including text and images. Just select the block you want to edit, remove the current text, and type in what you want. Similarly, select the image, click the replace option, and upload your image. Further, you can customize each block. For instance, let's select the heading block and you'll find 3 tabs in the block settings. In the general settings, you can find basic options for the particular block, like alignment and block width. Open the style settings to find options for colors, font size, typography, border, and whatnot. Lastly, the advanced settings lets you set padding and margin for the block. After you complete customizing your home page, don't forget to save your changes by clicking Save. Similarly, you can adjust other pages of your website. Step 8. Add new posts and pages. With that, you can start adding more content to your website. This can be through blog posts and additional pages. Posts contain dynamic content like blog articles that are regularly updated. To add a new post, navigate to Post and then Add Post. On the empty post editor, start by adding a post title. Next, insert your content using blocks. Just enter / write the block name, select the block, for example the heading block, and insert the heading. Similarly, add image blocks to upload suitable images. You can use any block you want and customize them to match your brand. Further, add a featured image and choose the block category. Once your post is ready, hit Publish and preview your new blog post. Your chosen website template already provides you with the essential pages for static content like services, about, and contact. If you want to add a new page, then simply navigate to Pages and then Add Page. On the empty page editor, start by adding a page title like blog. Then start writing the content by using different blocks. Here, you can use cadence blocks, patterns, and templates to display the blog post and other sections. For example, let's click the Design Library button at the top. Now you can find 2 tabs. You can select a complete template for the new page from the Pages tab. Another way is to open the Patterns tab and pick the site sections you want. In fact, you can also pick the With AI option at the top. This enables Cadence AI to automatically use your information while using a template or pattern for the new page. For that, you may need to again activate Cadence AI. Once you use this option, let's open the Patterns tab to insert a title pattern. In a moment, the pattern is added to your page. Now, you can edit the content and customize the design of each block. Similarly, let's add a new block to add the blog posts. Just open the block inserter. There, you'll find several Cadence blocks. Just click or drag the one you need and drop it in the location you want to add it. With that, you can again edit and customize it in the way you like. Once you're done, hit the Publish button and preview your new page. Step 9. Edit the header and footer navigation. Now, your website is almost complete. All that's left to do is edit the header and footer navigation. These website sections helps your visitors navigate your website. For that, move to Appearance and then Menus in your dashboard. There, you'll find a navigation already set by your theme that you can adjust. However, let's suppose we don't have one. So, create your first new menu for the header by adding its name and choosing its display location as primary navigation. Then hit the Create Menu button. Now select the pages you want to add and click Add to Menu. Afterward, drag and drop the menu items into the order you want. Lastly, click Save Menu. Similarly, let's click on Create a New Menu option to build another one for the footer. Just follow the same process. Add the name, choose the display location as footer, and click create menu. Then add the pages to the menu in the position you want and save it. You can also use one single navigation for both the header and footer if you want. Once that's done, navigate to Appearance and then Customize. Next, open the header menu to start editing the header layout. Ensure you have the primary navigation on the header. Then adjust the position of each header element and their design. Now go back and open the footer menu to edit the footer content. There you can add new or edit existing widgets beforehand to set them in the footer. You can even add or adjust the position and design of the footer elements, including widgets and menus. Once you are done, hit the Publish button. Step 10. Configure the WordPress settings. Your website is ready, but a few important settings still need attention. Hover over to the Settings menu in your admin area. There you'll find different settings to configure. Among them, first open the Permalinks menu. There, ensure you've chosen post name for an SEO-friendly structure. Further, go to the Discussion menu. There, control comments and reduce spam. For example, ensure the comments are manually approved and hold the comment in the queue if it contains one or more links. Save the changes once you're done. Lastly, open the Reading settings. On the Your Homepage Displays option, select your newly added blog page as the post page for your website. Then hit the Save Changes button. Congratulations! Your website is now all set to reach your target audience. Just preview your website and see how effortlessly professional it looks. Building the site is just the beginning. Keep improving your content, update old posts, monitor security, and add useful features when needed. Work on SEO, promote your website through social media and email marketing, and continue growing your audience over time. Have questions or need help? Drop a comment below and we'll help you out. Before you go, check the description for links to all the products we mentioned in this video. They'll help you get started faster. If this video helped you, then don't forget to give it a like, share it, and subscribe to SiteSaga for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.